All right, today we're gonna bring a faucet for your actual kitchen. Now, I've seen these in garages too. People use them for cleaning up inside stuff if they have the sink in the garage. Instructions are very thorough, very simple to put together. Cover, if you have 3 holes to cover it up, all right? And then the whole system itself, including the actual nozzles, different phases in course. And so you don't have to stretch it out too much. It does have this elastic here with the actual umbilical, all right? Very simple. You could change the nozzle to different tones. There's also a filter in here. To use it, it's very simple. Let me show you guys. It has a hot one side and then it has a cold on the other side. All right. So we're going to put this together and see how well it works. Right, this is probably the hardest part right here, tying them in there. All right. After that, if it starts leaking, you could always add plumber's tape. All right. So that's an option. So you got this shower head here, all right? You got the single squirt. You can put it always back, turn it off, on, turn it on, both ways. You could change the directions if you want. Look at that. Put it on here. So it has changed the directions. It has a spring. I like the spring that you could change it and then bring it back. And I like it that you lock it in, and very simple, easy to use. Now the setup is easy. Run 2 of them. Unfortunately, mine was too small, the hole for the sink. So I'm running a larger one so you guys could see as a demo, but it's working very well. You got your hot and neutral. Your hot, neutral in the middle, which is nothing, it's mostly, but you can move more hot or more cold. And like I said, these 2, this is blue on this side, blue on the side, red, and so forth. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.